Now coming to question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. This is an angle PAQ and this L is the bisector of this angle A. That is, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle PAB is equal to QAB. And this B is any point on this N. This BP and BQ, they are the perpendiculars from B to the arms of the angle A. Okay, so BP is perpendicular to AP and BQ is perpendicular to AQ. We have to show that these two triangles APB and AQB, they are congruent, and this BP is equal to BQ, or you can say B is equal distance from the arms of angle A. So first of all, we will consider these two triangles. In triangle APB and triangle AQB. Okay, this APB and AQB. Angle PAB is equal to angle QAB. It is given L bisects angle A. Okay students, ये एंगल PAB इसके इक्वल हो गया QAB के, क्योंकि L is bisecting angle A. Now angle APB is equal to angle AQB. ये भी गिवन है कि BP और BQ दो perpendiculars है. Perpendiculars makes an angle of 90 degree. So we can write here each 90 degree. And this AB is common to AB. AB is equal to AB because both are common. Now we have proved three elements of the two triangles equal. That means two triangles are congruent. Now we can say triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by angle side congruency. That is AAS congruency rule. And when these two triangles are congruent, this implies that BP is equal to BQ by CP, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles, or we can say B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Hence, proved. Now coming to question number 6. In the figure, this AC is equal to AE and AB is equal to AD. And this angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. We have to prove that BC is equal to DE. Means this is equal to this, ये हमें prove करना है. Okay. So for proving that BC is equal to DE, we have to consider triangle ABC and triangle ADE. अब ABC और ADE में ये sides तो included है, but हमारे पास angles ये जो है ये ABD का एंगल है, ना कि ABC का. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें ये गिवन है एंगल BAD is equal to angle EAC. This BAD is equal to angle CA. तो अगर हम ये एंगल दोनों साइड पे ऐड कर दें, कौन सा एंगल CAD, एडिंग एंगल CAD to both sides, what we will get? Angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to angle EAC plus angle CAD. अब एंगल BAD और CAD मिला के बन रहा है ये एंगल, दैट इज BAC. ओके, और सेम वे में EAC और CAD मिला के बन रहा है ये वाला एंगल, दैट इज EAD. D. Angle EAD. Okay. Now we will take these two triangles. In triangle ABC, ABC and ADE, and triangle ABE. Okay. This AB is equal to AD given. It is given in the question AB is equal to AD. Similarly, AC is equal to AE. This is also given. And this angle BAC is equal to angle EAD. This we have proved. Proved above. Okay, we have proved above this. Angle BAC is equal to angle EAD. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE, which implies BC is equal to DE. Why? By CPCT. That is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE by side angle side. That is by SAS congruency rule. Hence, proved. Now coming to question number 7. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. This AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. That means what is given to us? As P is the midpoint, that means AP is equal to BP. Okay? And this D and E are the points on the same sides of AB such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. This BAD is equal to ABE. That means this angle is equal to this angle. And angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA, that is EPA, is equal to DPB. We have to show or to prove that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. And second thing that we have to prove is AD is equal to BE. तो सबसे पहले हम ये दो ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. Okay. Before proving these two triangles congruent, let us prove two angles equal. Which two angles equal? Which come under these two triangles, that is DAP. अब DAP में तो ये वाला एंगल आ रहा है ना, बट हमें ये वाला एंगल इक्वल दिया हुआ. इन द सेम वे हमारे पास EBP में ये एंगल इक्वल दिया हुआ है, जबकि हमें ये एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना. तो हम सबसे पहले शुरू करेंगे. We have been given that angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. This is given to us. Now what we have to do is, we will add this EPD to both sides. Adding angle EPD to both sides. The angle EPA plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPB. Okay. Now this EPA और EPD मिलके कौन सा एंगल बना? EPA is this, EPD is this. This is angle APD. Angle APD is equal to ऐसे ही BPD और EPD मिला के क्या बना? एंगल BPE. Now, अब हम ये दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए कंसीडर करेंगे. इन ट्रायंगल DAP and triangle EBP. Angle APD is equal to angle BPE, proved above. अभी हमने प्रूव किया है ये। AP is equal to BP. This is given. P is the midpoint that is given. And one more thing is given, that is angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to BAD. तो BAD को हम PAD भी लिख सकते हैं. This BAD can be written as PAD. So angle PAD is equal to angle ABE. ABE को हम PBE भी लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि A लाइन पे ही एक P पॉइंट लाई कर रहा है. So it is equal to angle PBE. This is also given. Therefore, triangle BAP is congruent to triangle EBP. By which congruency? Angle, side, angle, side, angle. By angle, side, angle, that is ASA congruency rule. Okay. Now, when these two triangles are congruent, so AD is equal to, this implies AD is equal to BE by CPCT. Hence, proved. Now coming to question number 8. In right triangle ABC, right angle at C. Right angle at C means this angle is of 90 degree. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So this M is the midpoint of this hypotenuse AB. That means BM is equal to AM. Okay. We'll start writing the what is given to us. Okay. Triangle ABC is given, in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. This M is the midpoint of hypotenuse. That means AM is equal to BM. Okay. Now this C is joined to M and produced to D such that DM is equal to CM. So DM is equal to CM is also given to us. Then this point D is joined to point B. We have to show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Means this triangle is congruent to this triangle. This DBC is a right angle. This triangle DBC, this whole, is congruent to ABC, ACB, and CM is, this CM is half of this AB. Okay, so we'll start with, to prove, what we have to prove is all the 4 points. We have to write triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Second, angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Third, we have to prove triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And fourth, we have to prove that CM is equal to half AB. So we'll start with the first one, that is triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So we'll take in triangle AMC and triangle BMD. अब अगर हम देखें तो ये साइड इसके इक्वल है, और क्योंकि ये भी गिवन है कि DM is equal to CM, तो we can write AM is equal to BM and DM, अब DM नहीं लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर क्योंकि DM जो है इस ट्राइंगल का पार्ट है, तो हम लिखेंगे CM is equal to DM. This is given, this is also given. These are given. Okay. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now the three elements of the two triangles are proved equal. Therefore, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by side angle side, that is SAS, by SAS congruency rule. Okay, when these two triangles are proved congruent, that means this angle is equal to this angle, that is angle ACM is equal to angle ACM is equal to BDM. Why? CPCT by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and this BD is equal to AC. This AC is equal to BD. This is also by CPCT. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट तो हमारा कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव हो गया. फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूव हो गया, ट्रायंगल AMC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल BMD. अब आई बारी सेकंड पार्ट की, दैट इज एंगल DBC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वी गॉट दिस एंगल, वी नो angle ACM is equal to angle BDM. अभी प्रूव किया ऊपर, but they are alternate interior angles. This implies that BD is, this implies AC is parallel to BD. और जब AC is parallel to BD हुई, that means angle ACB plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, so ACB is 90 degree. Angle DBC, we don't know, is equal to 180 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. तो हमारा DBC 90 डिग्री आ गया. सेकंड पार्ट हमारा प्रूव हो गया. इन ट्राइंगल DBC and triangle ACB, angle DBC is equal to angle ACB, each 90 degree. Okay, and here we have proved in the first AC is equal to BD by CPCT. So we can write BD is equal to AC, proved above, and thus BC is equal to CB. These are common. Therefore, triangle BBC is congruent to triangle ACB by which congruency? This side we have considered, this angle we have considered, and this side, that is by SAS congruency rule. This triangle DBC is congruent to ACB implies that this DC is equal to AB. Why? By CPCT. ठीक? This means half of DC is equal to half of AB, or half of DC is CM. So CM is equal to half AB. Hence, proved.